Now we will discuss the next method, that is balancing method. First of all we check the transposing method. Now we will discuss about balancing method. Simple equation. I am taking the simple equation, that is x plus 3 equals to 5. In balancing method, keep in mind, if this is the variable x and constant is having positive sign plus 3 equals to 5. For balancing, balancing is nothing but remove the constant from the left hand side. First we want to remove the constant from left hand side. For that, here it is plus 3. How can we remove? If I add minus 3 in it, that is x plus 3. If I put minus 3, same. In this equation, I am subtracting from the left. I am subtracting 3 from the left hand side of the equation. I have to balance the same thing from right hand side also. From here also, we can remove 3 from right hand side. Means I am balancing the equation. Simply, from left hand side I removed 3. From right hand side also I removed 3. Means equation is balanced. Here, plus 3 and minus 3, it becomes 0. Hence it is x. 5 minus 3, it becomes 2. Hence our answer is x equal to 2. Hence solution is x equal to 2. This type of method is called balancing method or isolation method. In another word, we can say it as isolation of variable method. Okay. Now we will discuss some more examples so you can be clear. Okay. Now we will discuss few more examples, that is solution of equation having variable on one side. I am solving the same example by both the methods, that is transposing method as well as balancing method. First we check the example 4x minus 9 equals to 7. Now in transposing method, first step, 4x minus 9 equals to 7. First we have to transpose the constant to one another same side of the equal to sign. Here it is minus 9. While transposing this minus 9 to RHS, it becomes plus 9. That is 7 plus 9. Hence 4x equals to 16. Now, you know the rule. Here 4 and x are in multiplication. While transposing this 4 to another side, that is right hand side, here it is in multiplication. In the other side, it becomes in division. Hence, while transposing this 4, that is x equal to, it is in multiplication on left hand side. Now it is in division of right hand side. Hence, x equal to 16 by 4 is 4. Is our required solution. Hence, we calculate the solution of 4x minus 9 equal to 7 by transposing method. Now we look for the solution of the same example by balancing method. While balancing, by using balancing method, how do we find the solution of the given problem? Here, first step, regarding only for constant, we check constants. Here it is minus 9, here it is 7. While balancing, I want to remove this 9. It is having minus sign over here. Then, for removing this minus sign, minus 9, we have to add minus 9. Adding minus 9 to both sides, because we have to balance the equation. 4x minus 9 plus 9. Similarly, here we carry out the operation plus 9. Same operation we have to carry out on the right hand side also, that is plus 9. Minus 9 plus 9 becomes 0. Remaining is 4x equal to 7 plus 9 is 16. Now, I want to remove this constant 4. It is in multiplication with the x. For removing this 4, we have to divide both the side of the equation by 4. by dividing 4. If we divide the left hand side of the equation by 4, same function we have to carry out on the right hand side also, that is 16 divided by 4. Here on the left hand side I divide the term by 4. For balancing same operation I have to carry out. Divide the right hand side also by 4. Again this 4 cancel out. Hence x equal to 16 by 4, that is x equals to 4. By both the method we are getting the same answer, that is x equal to 4, which is the solution of the given equation. Now we will discuss the next problem, that is 2x plus 5 equal to 23. We obtain the solution by both the methods, that is transposing as well as balancing method. 2x plus 5 equal to 23. First step, we have to transpose the constants. Here 2x plus 5, constant is only plus 5. While transposing plus 5 to right hand side, this plus 5 becomes minus 5. Hence 2x equals to 23 minus 5. Hence 2x equal to 23 minus 5 is 18. Now 2 and x, again we have to transpose the constant to right hand side. The constant on the left hand side is in multiplication with the variable. Hence while transposing this multiplication constant on the left hand side to the right hand side, this multiplication constant with multiplication becomes constant in division, that is x equal to 18 by 2. Hence x equals to 9 is our required solution of the linear equation by transposing method. Now by balancing method, again we have to concentrate on the constant. On the left hand side the constant is with plus 5. For removing this plus 5, subtract 5 from both साइड. क्यों? बैलेंसिंग है इसलिए हमें क्या करना है, सेम ऑपरेशन दोनों साइड में करना है. दैट इज 2x plus 5. Here I removed 5 from left hand side. Same function I have to carry out from right hand side also. Remove 5 from right hand side also. This plus 5 minus 5 becomes 0. Hence remaining is 2x. 23 minus 5 is 18. Now I want to remove this 2 which is in multiplication with variable x. Then for removing this 2 I have to divide both the side of the equation by 2. Divide by 2 both the side of equation. Hence 2x by 2. Here I perform division. Same here also I have to perform division because I am doing the balancing of the equation. Here same term get cancelled. Hence x equal to 18 by 2. Hence x equals to 9 is our required solution. Now we will discuss the next problem, that is p by 2 equal to 12. While transposing these two, again we are looking first for constant. This 2 is in division to the left hand side. This 2 becomes, while transposing to right hand side, it becomes in multiplication. Hence transpose 2, that is p equal to 12 into 2. Hence p equals to 24 is our required solution. While during balancing method, here constant is in division with p by 2. I want to remove this 2. How can we remove this 2? If we multiply the left hand side of the equation by 2, then 2 get cancelled. Hence multiply by 2, both the side. Okay, always keep in mind, any operation we are doing on left hand side, same operation must be carried out on the right hand side while using balancing method, during the method of balancing. Okay, now p by 2 multiply by 2 equal to 12 into 2. Here it is in denominator, here it is in numerator, both are the same. Hence 2 get cancelled, hence p becomes 24. Hence our required answer is 24 in both the methods. Now we will discuss the next problem. One by 2 x minus 5 equal to 7. 1 by 2 x minus 5 equal to 7. First of all we solve it by transposing method. First we have to concentrate only on constant term. Here constant is negative 5. While transposing it to right hand side, this minus 5 becomes plus 5 on the right hand side. Now 1 by 2 x equals to 7 minus 5 becomes plus 5. That is 1 by 2 x equal to 7 plus 5 is 12. Now this 1 by 2, or simply we can write it as x by 2 equal to 12. X into 1, x divided by 2. Now on the left hand side 2 is in division with the variable. While transposing it on the right hand side, this division becomes multiplication. That is x equal to 12 into 2. Hence x equal to 24. The answer is, the solution of the linear equation is x equal to 24. In balancing method, again we have to concentrate on the constants. Here it is minus 5. First step, we have to add 5 on both sides. Add 5. 1 by 2 x minus 5 plus 5 equal to 7 plus 5. Here we perform addition of 5. On the right hand side also we must have to perform plus 5. Minus 5 plus 5 becomes 0. Hence x by 2 equal to 12. Now I want to remove this 2 from the division. Hence multiply by 2. For removing the 2 in division, we have to multiply it by 2. Hence x by 2 into 2 equal to 12 into 2. Same here, we carry out multiplication on left hand side. Same we have to carry out multiplication on the right hand side. Same 2 get cancelled. Hence x equal to 12 into 2 is 24. Is the solution of the provided linear equation. Next problem, x by 3 plus 1 equal to 2 by 3. In transposing, plus 1 is constant, while transposing it to right hand side it becomes minus 1. Hence first step is x by 3 equal to 2 by 3 minus 1. While doing the calculations, here nothing is in the denominator, means assume it is as 1. Hence x by 3 equals to 2 by 3 minus 1 into 3 divided by 1 into 3. X by 3 equals to 2 by 3 minus 3 by 3. Hence x by 3 equals to, denominator is same, x, that is 2 minus 3 by 3. Hence x by 3 equal to minus 1 by 3. It is minus 1 by 3. Now x by 3 equals to minus 1 by 3. Why? Transposing this constant on the right hand side, it is in division with left hand side. Now it becomes in multiplication to the right hand side. That is x equal to minus 1 by 3 into 3. Now These 3 in denominator, these 3 in numerator, both are cancelled. And then remaining is minus 1 is our solution of the linear equation x equals to minus 3. Okay. Now, we find out the solution of the same problem by balancing method. For same, here again we have to concentrate on constant. Here constant is plus 1. Then we have to subtract 1 from both the side. Then x by 3 plus 1 minus 1 equal to 2 by 3 minus 1. Same operation we have carried out on both the side. Plus 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Here x by 3 is balanced. Now 2 by 3 minus 1 into 3 divided by 1 into 3. That is 2 by 3 minus 3 by 3. Hence x by 3 equal to 2 minus 3 by 3 equal to minus 1 by 3. Hence x by 3 equal to minus 1 by 3. Now for further balancing, I want to remove these 3 from left hand side. Then I have to multiply both the side by 3. X by 3 into 3 equal to minus 1 by 3 into 3. 3 is in numerator, denominator, similarly numerator and denominator. Hence x equals to minus 1 is our required solution of the given linear equation. Now, next problem, z by 2 minus 5 equal to 6 by 3. First of all, we solve it by transposing method. Now, while transposing, first of all, we have to concentrate on constant. Constant is negative 5. While transposing this minus 5 on the other hand side of the equation, it becomes plus 5. That is z by 2 equal to 6 by 3 plus 5. Here nothing is in denominator means 1. Now z by 2 equal to 6 by 3 plus 5 into 3 divided by 1 into 3. Z by 2 equal to 6 by 3 plus 15 by 3. Hence z by 2 equal to 6 plus 15 divided by 3, that is 21 by 3. Hence z by 2 equal to 21 by 3. 21 by 3 is nothing but 7. Z by 2 equals to 7. Hence, now we have to transpose these 2 on left hand side, which is in division with z becomes in multiplication with 7. Z equal to 7 into 2. Hence, z equal to 40 is our required solution. Okay. Now, first, while calculating the same problem by balancing method, first of all, z by 2 minus 5. 6 by 3 is nothing but 2. Here also we can put 6 by 3 as 2. But nothing is, no problem. We can calculate by this also. Now, while using balancing method, here it is minus 5. Again we have to concentrate on the constant. Add 5 on both sides. That is z by 2 minus 5 plus 5. Hence 2 plus 5. Here we add 5. Similarly here also we can add 5. Minus 5 by plus 5 becomes 0. Hence z by 2 equals to 7. Now I want to remove 2 from left hand side, which is in division. Then we have to multiply this by 2. Similarly multiply on the right hand side by 2 also. Now 2 in numerator, 2 in denominator get cancelled. Hence z equal to 14 is our required solution. In this way, up till now, we are using calculations for solving equation in one variable by transposing method and balancing method. We solve the linear equations in which the variables only on one side of the equation. Now, is it clear up till here? अभी तक हमने क्या देखा था, किसी भी लीनियर इक्वेशन का, जो कि इक्वेशन लीनियर इक्वेशन में वेरिएबल एक ही साइड में है, दैट इज इन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड, उसका सॉल्यूशन हमने ट्रांसपोजिंग मेथड से भी चेक किया और बैलेंसिंग मेथड से भी चेक किया, दोनों मेथड से सेम ही आता है। एग्जाम में अगर आपको जिस तरह से सवाल पूछा है, solve it by transposing method, then you have to follow this method. If in exam they ask to solve the same problem by balancing method, then you have to calculate the same problem by this method. Okay.